Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to discuss an important topic regarding electrical conductors, the differences between stranded and solid wires. If you're new here, please support the channel by liking and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell to receive updates whenever I post new tutorials. Have you been thinking which type of electrical conductor to use for particular projects? Should I use stranded or solid wires? By the end of this tutorial, you'll learn about the followings. 1. What stranded and solid wires are. 2. The benefits of stranded and solid wires. 3. The drawbacks of stranded and solid wires. 4. Which type has a higher current carrying capacity, solid or stranded wire. 5. Which one is better, solid or stranded wire? Stay tuned as we dive in. Welcome back. Let's start with stranded wire. A stranded wire consists of multiple thin wires of conductors that are bundled together to form single conductor. This type of wire offers greater flexibility compared to solid wire, making it an ideal choice for electricians in situations where wires need to be bent or twisted, as it can be easily routed through conduit pipes in walls. Moreover, stranded wire allows for safer current flow, because the heat generated from current dissipates effectively through the air gaps between the strands. Now, let's explore the advantages of stranded wire. 1. Stranded wire offers greater flexibility when using. 2. It is easier to control through narrow route. 3. Stranded wire reduces heating and safer current flow. 4. It is suitable for crimp connections and patching cords. 5. Stranded wires offers lower skin effect, especially for longer distances with high voltage transmission lines. Check out my video on skin effect through the link in the description box below. Now, let's look at the drawbacks of stranded wire. 1. Stranded wire is higher susceptibility to corrosion, particularly in outdoor settings. 2. It has lower current capacity compared to solid conductors of the same size. 3. Stranded wires offers higher voltage drop and more complex connections. 4. It generates more noise, resulting in medium-high frequency transmission performance. Now, let's explore solid wire. As the name implies, solid wire is made of a single solid piece of metal, like copper. Solid wire typically has a higher current carrying capacity than stranded wire, due to the absence of air gaps. Its compatibleness leads to lower resistance and ensures reliable termination and connection. Now, what are the advantages of solid wire? 1. It has higher current carrying capacity compared to stranded wire of the same size. 2. It produces clearer sound due to lower noise levels. 3. Solid wire has lower resistance, with better anti-corrosive properties for both indoor and outdoor use. 4. It offers minimal voltage drop, making it suitable for long-distance applications. 5. Solid wire is cheaper than stranded wire. As you know the benefits now, let's examine the disadvantages of solid wire. 1. Solid wire is less flexible and more rigid. 2. It is susceptible to damage if used in repetitive motion applications. 3. Solid wire experiences skin effect issues if it is used in high voltage and power transmission conditions. 4. It is not suited for electronics, digital communications, and computer applications. Now that we've established what stranded and solid wires are, let's compare them. Understanding the benefits and disadvantages of these two distinct types of wire is essential to determine which one is best suited for your specific needs and project requirements. Let's go. 1. Current carrying capacity. The solid wire will carry more current than the stranded wire for the same diameter of wire. This is due to the air gap that exists between the strands of the conductor. To achieve the same current capacity, the cross-sectional area of a stranded wire would need to be larger than that of solid wire. Because of this, an electrician must choose the right wire size based on the wire gauge and current carrying capacity needed for the intended application. 2. Skin effect. This occurs when current flows on the conductor's outer surface rather than the entire conductor. For high-power transmission, stranded wires are used. However, stranded wire has lesser skin effect than solid wire of the same size. 3. Routing. Stranded wires offer greater flexibility for navigating around obstacles, compared to solid wires. 4. Flexibility. Stranded wires are much more bendable, although over time, the flexible strands may break at terminations. Solid wires maintain their shape better, but can break if bent excessively. 5. Cost. Solid wire is typically less expensive due to its simpler manufacturing process, as it consists of a single core. To twist the thinner wires together to form stranded wire, more difficult production procedures are needed. 6. Distance. Solid wires are better for long-distance applications, due to lower current dissipation, while stranded wires are ideal for shorter distances, particularly in transmission lines due to their flexibility and reduced skin effect. Finally, as we have known the difference and comparison between the two wires configuration, which one is better? Is it solid or stranded wire? The choice depends on both initial and long-term costs, specific applications, load types, current carrying capacity, flexibility, and environmental conditions. Now, if you're looking at durability, simplicity, and cost-effectiveness, solid wire is preferable. On the other hand, for complex projects requiring numerous bends and long-term flexibility, stranded wire is preferred. As you have seen that all the wires are good, the choice depends on application and factors mentioned before. I hope you're satisfied with the answers. That concludes our session. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more informative content. I welcome your questions and comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe. Goodbye.